Now we are with our fifth part. Okay, so let us see the question first. Two equations are given to you: 7x minus 2y upon xy equals to 5 and 8x plus 7y upon xy equals to 15. So this can be rewritten as what? Therefore, above equations can be written as, now how can you express this? You can separately divide xy. So this will be equal to what? 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy equal to 5 कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज अगर बीच में प्लस या माइनस का साइन रहता है तो डिनोमिनेटर सेपरेटली डिवाइड होते हैं. दैट्स वाई वी हैव डन दिस. ओके, सिमिलरली 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy equals to 15. Clear students? Now you can see here that x and x gets cancelled, यहाँ पे y cancel हो जाएगा. Here also x gets cancelled, यहाँ पे भी y cancel हो जाएगा. So we are left with what? 7 upon y minus 2 upon x equal to 5 and 8 upon y plus 7 upon x equals to 15. Clear? So let us take 1 upon x equals to u and 1 upon y equals to v. कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ दिस इक्वेशन कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट? हम इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? दिस इम्प्लाइज 7 upon y कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट? 7 into 1 upon y minus 2 upon x can be written as 2 into 1 upon x equal to 5. Similarly, 8 upon y can be written as 8 into 1 upon y and 7 upon x can be written as 7 into 1 upon x equals to 15. Clear? Now 1 upon y को हमने क्या लिया है? v. So we will put here what? 7v minus 1 upon x we have taken u. So this will be 2u equals to 5. So this is your first equation. Similarly, 8 into 1 upon y means what? 8v plus 7 into 1 upon x will be what? 7u equals to 15. This is your second equation. I hope आपको ये clear हो गया होगा. Now we can solve this by any of the two equations can be solved by any of the two method जो हमने पढ़ी है. Okay, so let us solve this by method of elimination. Okay, so let us solve और eliminate our u first. मान लीजिए हमको u eliminate करना है. Now you can see here that ये हम पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं. Because the coefficient of u here is what? 2. So we will multiply the second equation by 2, whole equation by 2. Similarly, here the coefficient of u is what? 7. So we will multiply equation 1, whole equation 1 by 7. So let us do this. Multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 2. So what we will get? Now 7v minus 2u equals to 5. अगर इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं किससे? 7 से. ओके, सो दिस इम्प्लाइज वॉट? 7 7s are 49v minus 7 2s are 14u equals to 7 5s are 35. Suppose this is your third equation. Clear? Similarly, we will multiply the second equation. We will multiply the second equation 8v plus 7u equals to 15 by what? हम इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं? 2 से. So we will get what? 2 8s are 16v plus 2 7s are 14u equals to 2 15s are 30. This is your fourth equation. Is that clear? So we will solve equation 3 and 4 by elimination method. Therefore, solving equation 3 and 4 by elimination method, by method of elimination. So let us see what we will get. 49v minus 14u equals to 35 and 16v plus 14u equals to 30. Okay, now you can see here that in order to eliminate u, हम ये देख रहे हैं both signs are opposite, so we simply add the two equations. So this gets cancelled. Now what will be the value of 49v plus 16v? Okay, if you add 49 and 16, you will get what? 65v. Is that clear? And 35 plus 30 will also be equal to 65. So therefore v is equals to 65 upon 65, or v equals to what? 1. So we are getting v as what? 1. Clear? Now we will substitute the value of v equal to 1 in any one of the equation, either equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 or equation 4. Let us put this in equation 1. Okay, so putting v equals to 1 in equation number 1, हमें क्या मिलेगा? Let us see. Our first equation is what? 7v minus 2u equals to 5. So 7v. So in place of v, we will write what? 1. So 7 into 1 plus 7v minus 2u equals to 5. So 7 ones are 7, minus 2u equals to 5. So this implies minus 2u equals to 5 minus 7. So 5 minus 7 is equals to what? Minus 2. So you will get u as minus 2 upon minus 2, or u is equals to what? 1. So you are getting u as what? 1. Is that clear, students? Now since u equals to 1, this implies 1 upon x is equal to 1. Why? Because we have taken u as 1 upon x. तो हमने यहाँ पे u की जगह क्या लिख दिया? 1 upon x. So by taking reciprocal, हम reciprocal लेंगे तो so you will get x equals to 1. तो हमारा x का आंसर आ रहा है 1. Is that clear? Similarly, and since v is equals to what? V is also 1. Okay, therefore 1 upon y is equal to 1. Why? Because हमने v को किसके इक्वल लिया था? v को हमने लिया था 1 upon y के इक्वल. Therefore 1 upon y equal to 1. So taking reciprocal on both sides, we get y equals to what? 1. So our final answer is what? Therefore x equal to 1, y equal to 1 is your final answer. I hope you got the sum. आपको clear हो गया होगा. Okay, so in this video we have seen part 5. Next video we will see next part. Thank you.